Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience with the Tableau 10 course on Udemy. This course is designed to help students master the Tableau 10 data visualization software. By the end of the course, you'll be able to create interactive and dynamic dashboards and tell compelling stories with your data. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to learn how to create powerful data visualizations, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who's interested in data analysis. The course is divided into several sections. 1. An introduction to the basics of Tableau 10, including the interface and how to connect to data sources. 2. How to build basic charts and graphs, including bar charts, line charts, and scatter plots. 3. How to create interactive dashboards, including how to use filters, parameters, and actions. 4. How to tell a story with your data, including how to create a narrative and how to use annotations and other visual elements to highlight key insights. 5. The final project, where you'll apply what you've learned to create a dashboard and tell a story with a provided dataset. While the course itself is very comprehensive, it's recommended that you have a basic understanding of data analysis and statistics. Overall, I really enjoyed this course. The instructor was very clear and concise, and the lessons were easy to follow. The course content was very comprehensive, and I learned a lot about Tableau 10 and data visualization. If you're looking to learn how to create powerful data visualizations, I highly recommend this course. It's a great investment for anyone who wants to improve their data analysis skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.